Hello friends, in the previous video we have studied the intersection of two sets. Now in this video we will study the properties of intersection of set. First property is A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Set A, it contains the elements 1, 2 and 3. Set B, it contains the element 2, 3 and 4. Now first we will write A intersection B. A intersection B means what? The elements which are common in set A and in set B. So here you will see 2 is the common element in A as well as B. 3 is common element in set A as well as set B. So A intersection B is nothing but the elements 2 and 3. This is the set that we get. Now, if I write B intersection A, what will be B intersection A? The elements which are common in set B and in set A. So, which are that elements? Over here again we get these two elements only which are common. So, 2 and 3 are the elements which are common in the set B and A. So, A intersection B is 2 and 3 and B intersection A is also 2 and 3. Therefore, these two sets over here you will see they are equal. Therefore, A intersection B is nothing but it is equal to B intersection A. This is the first property that we have verified. Copy down this property. The second property over here is if A is the subset of B, then A intersection B is equal to A. We have two sets A and set B. A, you will see it contains two elements 1 and 3 and B contains the element 1, 3, 5 and 6. You will see over here A is a smaller set as compared to B and all the elements which are present in A, that is 1 and 3, are present in set B. So over here we say that A is a subset of B, correct? Now if A is a subset of B, then A intersection B is equal to A. We'll see how. A intersection B means elements which are common in set A and set B. Which are the elements which are common? 1, 1, 3 and 3. So, this A intersection B, we get the set as 1 and 3. So, what is this 1 and 3? This is nothing but this is our set A. So, A intersection B is nothing but our set A. So, we have verified this property over here. This is our second property. You copy down this. The third property that we are going to verify is if A intersection B is equal to B, then B is the subset of A. Two sets are given over here, set A and set B. Now we'll write A intersection B. A intersection B means common elements in set A and set B. So which are the common elements? 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are the common elements. But what is, if you see over here, these two elements 2 and 3 are present in which set? They are present in set B. So A intersection B is equal to B. Then we can say that B is the subset of A. B is the subset of A. See over here, A intersection B we have got as set B. Then we say that this B is the subset of A. Here you will see that B is a smaller set and A is a larger set. What is a subset? All the elements of set B are present in A. So B is the subset of A. Thus we have proved this property also. Fourth property that we are going to verify is A intersection B is subset of A and A intersection B is a subset of B. We have two sets A and B. Now A intersection B. What is A intersection B? The elements which are common in set A and set B. So which are the elements we'll find out? 3, 3, 4, 4. So this set consists of the element 3 and 4. So over here you will see that A intersection B is subset of set A and A intersection B is also a subset of the set B, because all the elements which are present in A intersection B are present in set A and all the elements which are present in A intersection B also present in set B. Therefore, we can say that A intersection B is the subset of A. A intersection B is the subset of B. You can easily compare, see this A intersection B is a smaller set and A set and B sets are larger set. All the elements which are present in the A intersection B are present in set A also, and all the elements which are present in A intersection B are present in B also. So thus we have verified the fourth property also. Now we will verify the fifth property. A intersection A complement or A dash is equal to a empty set or a phi set. We have a universal set over here. This universal set contains elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now A set contains the element 3 and 4. We'll write A complement. A complement means leaving these two elements. Which are the elements which are present in the universal set? So A complement means 1, 2 and 5. Leaving these two elements, all the remaining elements from the universal set makes the A complement. Now what they have said? A intersection A complement. So A intersection A complement. Now this is your set A. This is your A complement A dash. So common elements of these two sets. We'll find out whether we have any common elements in these two sets. 3 we don't have in A complement. 4 we don't have in A complement. So we don't have any element which is common in these two sets. Therefore A intersection A dash is a empty set. So over here we have verified the property. The sixth property we are going to verify. A intersection A is equal to A. You can take any set A. 1, 2, 3. What is the intersection of A intersection A will be that set itself. That is, over here you will see that intersection of A set with itself will be the set itself. Now we are going to verify the last property. The last property is A intersection empty set is equal to an empty set. We have set A. It contains two elements 2 and 3, and empty set means it will not contain any element. Now A intersection of an empty set. We'll find out this is our A set, this is our empty set. What do you mean by intersection? The elements which are common in set A and the empty set. Are there any elements common? No. That means again the intersection of set A with the empty set is a empty set. Thus, we have verified all the 7 properties of intersection of set.